scared looking, the wall 8 feet, moved 2 inches tall. I watch him hurt the sheep catches prey. I see her work here every day. Another web in my path, that spider lays. I think there's nothing to it. Think I just gotta walk right through it. Don't ever give up on yourself. Don't ever give up on yourself. Don't ever give up on yourself. That's me. Don't ever give up on yourself. I've seen the done it once again. A spiderweb gets stuck all in my head. I walk through it every day. It's just a part my leg. If she can catch me in her web, I wonder how many days she would be fed on the flesh that clings to these lanky bones. Don't ever give up on yourself, motherfucker. Don't ever give up on yourself. Don't ever give up on me. You play it.
I don't fucking know, dude.
I should have smoked more weed.
Tarzan 2.
I don't know what happened.
Wow.
It's like backwards math or something. I don't know what the fuck happened there, man. You guys fucked me up. I blame them. I just wanted to wear the wig of shame. That's why I fucked that song up. Somebody's got to wear it, and I'm always the first one to wear it. That was fucking awesome, dude. I'm up here going, what the weird. I know what it is. Go get the tequila island. Go get the tequila island. Go get the tequila. That's right here. It's not enough alcohol. Let's give a cheers to all the people that work at this fine establishment. It's totally not going to help. But it will feel better. When those little fuck-ups happen, I'll be like, yeah, I was jamming there, man. Awesome, I was feeling it.